Hi everyone, I am MD Shamrat Miah, and one more time I am welcoming to everyone for my YouTube channel, our technical school. So today I'm going to share one of very interesting command. This is kind of a basic command, but very interesting. This command name is it's called cat. So this uh, so it is called cat. So we will today we will learn about a few things, how to use this cat, and what this cat command will do work in Linux. So actually cat has a full form, and the full form is mentioned to concatenation. So if you have 2 3 4 5 files and you need to be concatenation, then that time you can use this cat. So this is a simple meaning of cat, that if you want to say a combination result from few of files, then you can use this cat. So we will learn and we will see how this cat will work in Linux. Okay. So for this, we have to be writing here. So at this moment, if you watch my previous video very well, then you will know that we are now staying at this moment inside Kali folder. Okay. So from here, if I'm typing in here ls few to see my all folders in here, that because I'm planning to use this cat command to those folders or few files. So we have a few files in here, result.txt and result underscore txt. So what I'm going to do now, I am going to see this result.txt file. I'm just trying to open this result.txt through my cat command, concatenation command. But in this moment, I'm just opening this file by half through this cat command. I'm not doing concatenation at this moment. Okay, so cat space result.txt. Okay, so this few information has already written inside this result.txt. If I'm doing try to open my another file, which one is mentioned already by result underscore txt. So through this cat command, like this way, result underscore txt. If after that command, when I execute that, it is opening this information. So this information has opened now. It's a long history. Okay, after my result.txt file. Okay, okay, lots of information we got at this point. So there is a few information we have already got from result.txt and result underscore txt. So our plan at this moment to concatenation to concat those two files at the same time through this cat command. So I'm now going to do concatenation through our cat command for result.txt and result underscore txt. So this result.txt and this result underscore txt, those different file are now going to combine, are now going to concatenation at this moment, and I am showing you that how can we do that. Okay, so for this um, for these things, I'm going to write in here clear, actually, yeah, I don't need those information, just only ls. Okay, then cat result dot txt. At the same time, I'm going to write in here result underscore txt, then space is getter, then write my own name, Shamrat dot txt. Okay, how can I do that? How can I combine this? Okay, I will show you that later, but at this point, okay, so cat result.txt, then space, then again my another file whose name is result underscore txt, and if I try to execute through my enter button, it will show me the same result but with concatenation way. Okay, like this way, that if I'm trying to show you that okay, at this point, which information I'm showing you through my screen, it's from result underscore dot txt. So that was our command, cat result dot txt space result underscore txt. So this information this information we got from our first file result.txt, and from here we are getting, from here to our uh, last station, those information we are getting from our result underscore txt from here. Okay, so both information are showing in front us at the same time through the concatenation way. Okay, so like this way we can use cat. But one thing, another thing we can do with our cat command, actually the result will be same, because I'm telling to you that what I'm going to do now. At this point the result will be same, but the way for that result is little bit different. Okay, so I'm showing you that. So at this point I'm going to show you how can I combine those same two different files, and how can I create another text file through use cat command, and combine how can I combine those uh, two files to a to my new file. Okay, which one I'm going to make at this point. Okay, so like this way, that cat result dot txt, this is my one file space um, result underscore txt, this is my second file, then need to be right in here underscore, then name of my new file shamrat.txt. So this system is a little bit different, but the result will be same. Okay, and here is only one new things has already come to us, that we are making a new text file, and the text file will it called shamrat.txt. Okay, after execute my program, when I will apply to see my all folders through ls, then we will see that the shamrat.txt has already included in as a list folders. Okay, we'll see that. So the result.txt and the result underscore txt, the both of those files information will now is stored inside our new text file, which one is already mentioned by this command. It is shamrat.txt. Okay, so after I execute this, when I will try to see through my ls its main list, then we will able to see that here is the shamrat.txt has already uh, inputted. Okay, so when I will try to when I will try to access my new txt file shamrat.txt, then I have to be writing here cat shamrat.txt. Then I'm getting the same information. Okay, so at this point we know it very well that how can we make a new text file through the cat command, and how can we store all the information from few of our um, few of our few of our text files, and how can we store their information to our new text file, and how can we execute our new text file. And at this point we will learn how to remove any text file as our new text file. Okay, so for that I have to write in here rmf as a remove command, then a flag file r, then I have to write in here shamrat.txt. I need to execute. Then if I try to see my all folders and files, there is no anymore text file or folder as shamrat.txt. So like this way actually we can use cat file. So we can use a cat command, not as a file, but here is another way I'm showing you that like is that cat um, result.txt result underscore txt. It's executed already. Yeah, here is Shamrat. If I'm trying to do with this command like this way, that cat, then and then dash space dash, then and then shamrat.txt, it will it will give us the same information. So actually the same results we are getting for every time, for every attempt, but the difference is the way to command to our Kali Linux that I want that, I want that, I want that. So the commanding way is different with each another, but the result are same. So the results is same for concatenation. So we can use cat for combine 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 so this cat means concatenation. It will use for combination for our few combination to our few files, and nothing else we can do with cat. We can access our file text file, and we can access all the information in those has already written to our files. We can also access, we can also see them like this way. And after that we can also make a new text file through this cat command, and like this way we can use cat. So I hope that everyone will enjoy this video, and just stay with me, keep with me with this channel. Do subscribe, do like, do comment, and it will make me more inspiration to make uh, more videos, more informationable videos to everyone like this way. Thank you very much. Bye.